On the balance sheet and income statement, you will surely find FOB shipping terms. On a standard balance sheet, you will never see transportation out under FOB shipping terms. On a standard income statement, that's where you will find FOB shipping point, which is for the seller under FOB shipping terms. On a standard balance sheet, you will see the cost under inventory because it's coming from the buyer and it's FOB shipping point. Shipment costs are so important because if you mess them up, you'll find errors in the financial statements. And you don't want that because then you could recognize an expense that doesn't exist. When you're discussing the shipping point, you are talking about the buyer. It's affecting inventory in financial statements. It affects the balance sheets and the consumer is paying. So remember this when you pay to ship. When you're discussing shipping destination, you are talking about the seller. It's affecting transportation out in the financial statements. It affects the income statement and it is recognized as an expense. So remember this when shipping. When you purchase merchandise, freight terms, FOB destination. Is it from the seller? Is it from the buyer? It's from the seller. This is just an example of where you would see this type of question, so don't get it wrong. Speaking of income statements, there are a couple different types. Single-step income statements, multi-step income statements, those are the only two, and the difference is the gross margin. In the single step, there is no gross margin, but there is in the multi-step one. The multi-step income statement is easy to identify because it will have an extra line, and that line will be gross margin, which is the difference between sales and cost of goods sold. But guess what's cool? No matter what, in either income statement, the net income will always be the same. Sometimes a transaction will be subject to some terms. For example, 2 out of 10 and out of 30. That means a 2% discount if you pay within the time period, and then you get the discount if you don't pay within the discount period. You will not get the discount. These are some simple concepts that occur in accounting. FOB, shipping point, FOB, destination, balance sheets and buyers, income sheets and sellers, single-step statements, multi-step statements, discount terms, and now you know. Accounting 221 has taught a lot so far, and I'm excited to learn more.